Hello friends, welcome to Harry's Edu World. This is Hari Krishnan talking. Friends, in this video, we will go through the very important GK questions related to the constitutional amendments. Okay, let's go to the questions. So here we have the first question. The article that deals with the powers of the parliament to amend the constitution. Answer option B, Article 368. And Article 368 is included in Part 20 of the Constitution. The procedure for amending the Constitution is taken from which country? Answer option C, South Africa. A constitutional amendment bill can be initiated in. Answer option C, in either house of the parliament. In how many ways the constitutional amendment in India can take place? Answer option B, 3 ways. And there are 3 ways to amend the Constitution of India. And the first one is a simple majority of parliament. Second, the special majority of parliament. And the third one, the special majority of the parliament plus the consent of the states. Now we go to the next question. In which Constitutional Amendment Act Goa was made a full-fledged state with a state assembly? Answer option C, 56th Constitutional Amendment Act 1987. And the Amendment Act related to the formation of state Sikkim is the 36th Constitutional Amendment Act 1975. What kind of majority is needed in the parliament for rescheduling of the constituencies? Answer option B, general majority of parliament. Which of the following constitution amended the age of voting from 21st to 18? Answer option C, 61st Amendment Act 1988. Which of the following amendment was passed during the emergency? Answer option D, 42nd Amendment. In which Constitutional Amendment Act seats of Lok Sabha were increased from 525 to 545? Answer option D, 31st Constitutional Amendment Act 1973. In which of the following case a special majority is used in the parliament? Option C, acquisition and termination of citizenship. In which of the following amendment the term of Lok Sabha increased from 5 to 6 years? Answer option B, 42nd Amendment. In which of the following amendment the term of Lok Sabha restored to 5 years from 6 years? Answer option C, 44th Amendment. Which Constitutional Amendment Act provided reservation in admission in private unaided educational institutions for students belonging to scheduled caste, tribe, and other backward classes? Answer option A, 93rd Constitutional Amendment Act 2005. Which Amendment Act established a National Commission for SC and STs? Answer option A, 65th Amendment. Which of the following Amendment Act makes the right to education as the fundamental right to all the children under the age of 6 to 14 years? Answer option B, 86th Amendment 2002. And the article that is related to the right to education is Article 21A. Under which constitutional amendment bill 4 languages Bodo, Dogri, Maithili and Sandali are added in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Answer option B, a 92nd Amendment. So it is the 92nd Amendment Act 2003. Which of the following is true about the Constitution 42nd Amendment Act 1976? Answer option D, all of the above. In which Amendment Act the Sindhi language was included as a 15th regional language in the 8th schedule? Answer option D, 21st Constitutional Amendment Act 1967. Which amended act gave effect to transfer of Indian territory of Barubari Union to Pakistan following the Indo-Pak Agreement 1958? Answer 9th Amendment Act 1960. Which Amendment Act added a 9th schedule to the Constitution? Answer the First Amendment Act 1951. Which Amendment Act removed the right to property from the list of fundamental rights? Answer the 44th Amendment Act 1978. So this amendment is very important, and this amendment removed the right to property from the list of fundamental right. So right to property is now a legal right, and the article related to right to property is Article 300A. Which Amendment Act is popularly known as Anti-Defection Law? Answer 52nd Amendment Act 1985. Which Amendment Act is known as the Mini Constitution? It's a very important question. Answer the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. So let me add few more points related to this amendment. So this Amendment Act was passed during Indira Gandhi government, and this amendment was enacted following the recommendation of Swaran Singh Committee. So through this amendment, 3 new words were added to the preamble of the Constitution, and those 3 words are socialist, secular, and integrity. And also this amendment added a list of 10 fundamental duties to the Constitution. The Amendment Act known as Panchayati Raj Act. Answer 73rd Amendment Act 1992. So this Amendment Act provided a constitutional status to the Panchayati Raj institutions. The Amendment Act that granted constitutional status to cooperative societies. Answer 97th Amendment Act 2011. And there are a few more important amendments in the Constitution. The first one is 100th Amendment Act 2015 that contained the provisions regarding land boundary agreement between India and Bangladesh. Then the very important one, 101th Amendment Act 2016. This Amendment Act contained the provisions regarding GST, Goods and Service Tax. And the GST came into effect from 1st July 2017. And the last amendment in the Constitution is 103rd Amendment Act 2019. And this Amendment Act contained the provision for the reservation for economically weaker sections of the society. So friends, don't forget to subscribe this channel and enable the notification button to get the latest video alert. Thank you for watching.